Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ali's Experiments. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about something I'm sure everybody has faced with their Windows computer. It, after a long time, has slowed down drastically. So, how do you speed your computer up? The thing is, buying a new PC with the latest specs or owning a PC with powerful specs is in no way a guarantee that Windows 10 will work properly at all. More often than not, you would notice that a Windows PC specifically slows down after a few months of use. And that is not good news for those of us who are spending our days working from home. The need for a well-functioning PC is more urgent right now and will perhaps continue to be this way for at least a few more months. There are multiple reasons for why your Windows 10 laptop or PC may be acting all strange and slow. And before you are inevitably held responsible for buying the wrong specs and something that isn't as powerful as it should have been, let us iron out the other possibilities one by one. Step 1. Get rid of the pre-installed apps. For starters, your PC or laptop is most likely struggling with a whole lot of unnecessary preloaded apps. In more loving terms, it is known as bloatware. To remove these unnecessary apps, go to Start, Settings and click on Apps. By default, you will be in Apps and Features. This is a list of all apps currently installed on your PC. If you see any app that you do not require, just click on it and hit uninstall. Step 2. You do not require another antivirus. Windows 10 has something called the Windows Defender, which does everything to keep your PC safe from malware, viruses, spyware, and keeps the firewall up and running. It is then a bit perplexing for laptop makers to further drain available resources by preloading an antivirus such as McAfee or Norton. If all you intend to do on your new laptop is safe web browsing and promise to go nowhere near dodgy apps or websites, you can uninstall the additional antivirus that your laptop maker might have bundled along with your Windows 10 on the laptop. This will free up significant system resources, allowing it to work faster and better. This is most visible in the lower powered machines running Intel i3 processors or machines with lesser RAM. To delete your antivirus, you have to follow the exact same steps as I said in step 1. All you have to do is go to Settings, Apps and Features, find the unnecessary antiviruses and uninstall them. The third step is to update Windows 10 because you may be running a much older version. A lot of new laptops still run an older Windows 10 version right out of the box. You may not realize it, but there isn't someone who is constantly updating Windows 10 on new and yet unsold laptops. Yes, even though Windows 10 is a live and always updating OS, you may not get all the updates on day 1. Take your time to manually update Windows 10 and get all the performance improvements and bug fixes that come with the newer Windows 10 versions. To update your PC, all you have to do is go to Settings and go to Update and Security. Here all you have to do is click check for updates and Windows will automatically check online for any new Windows versions. And the last and final step is to clear your storage. Keeping your C drive clear of unwanted apps would actually increase performance drastically. So you guys might have a question, why does this happen? Because speed should depend on processor and your RAM, right? Lesser processor and lesser RAM equals lesser speed. But where does storage come into the equation? This is because your Windows computer actually uses a part of the C drive as a second RAM to improve speed, reduce load on the actual RAM, and overall increase multitasking capabilities. Even though the computer's RAM and processor might be performing optimally, the PC will feel slower. Well guys, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and drop a like down below, hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a video. Bye guys!